Yeah.
It's 2000 gang, baby.
Get BLEKE. Since we go away. Let's go. Bafana bana se bahlolwa ke fame. I took a step back and went to focus on my lane. My introspection made me go and switch up on my name. But the pen gave me to fela Hara game. Hara game. Ogo say so ba jweto re ntse ke le teng. Ha ona moki ya mona ke lapeng. Niggas like acting tough on social media. Ba ko ba hlo ha ba mpona strateng. Jehovah na le nna ha ba no ntsiba le ha ba ka re bankela dingakeng. Yeah, I see niggas that tryna be goats, but 2000 gang ke for hoka sakeng. We bullies. Re tlisa mollo ka ntwana tse nyane ma hotmane bona ba tsuhi. Cause all of these youngins ke mantwa dumela hankare ho bona sekshubi. Kena ka srahla ha tsamaletsa ka o ka banana hore ke vuti. Black lines of black right twana le silo. Ironic no kena sekhugi. Ke khutile jwal. Had to keep quiet and laugh at the beef. Homies do love acting like they got shooters, but we don't feel numb when we out in the streets. Matter of fact, only thing I see is love and people who say they inspired by me. Kare kaofela ra ibasa na Hara Tshowa, so give me your best in the V. I'm ready, the artillery I have with me is heavy. These niggas rap funny back up by my city. A bunch of real niggas acting like the medi. Se ba shota kamanala lady plenty. Never saw me coming, no chena ke kene ba ke banti ba ke mata adreni ba ke banti ba ke mata adreni ba ke banti ba ke woo. Ha se motseng o tla thola ka juice. Vali pop yona ena le ditori. Homies would hate when they see you flourish instead of celebrating God-given glory. It's cool though, push him out the circle like sumo. I'm having stress, I aim it a lot from Santa niggas panel Kim Blue. Bro, what do you know? Cause most of y'all feel my band. COVID babies, I'm like your older brother. Cause I was there when Rocker Fresh had a vibe and PMFN was a maza. Santani Meti again, nigga Tung was a banger. Pound kick your night to recetrata. Santani Shava Senal Rabada. Po repatetas bukendi soka di papa. But that was then, and this is now. So tell these niggas that I got the crown. Also go tell them to check out my old catalog if they think I ain't been around. 2000 gang getting love from Sharpevillians cause they all know that we holding it down. LCD fam used to rock and inspire the kids, and look who is rocking them now. Big as music culture, blockbuster, and we putting on all of the kids. Open up our own studio so we can push harder and handle the biz. If rap is the highest, the guns in my hand, and I'm busy telling them freeze. They busy out here looking for a locksmith, but they don't know is that I took the keys. Yeah, getting killer, get la fella hole, Mona Hauna the gatekeeper. Hopped on his beat just to settle a score. So if you caught fire, then Gwena goalkeeper. I feel like Westside or the Palo are the only rappers Bana Kantiba. Cause to be honest, Kibona fella, but you both in Sikteva Ban Shapaka Pina. Omutata Mona Hadina Kelel. Skabo, Gumilang Gele. Okati Ventega Kasu, Bosabuki, Takasutire Oskelem. But there's no hate, just keep on pushing cause you doing great. Pamisa Kasi is what I gotta say. Cause when it's all said and done, you gotta alleviate situations where you stay. And that is the real shit Hotmans do not talk about. Company Banwa Begeta Matarian. But spending your whip I up at the club. Bazama who impress Banaba. There's no investment in extracurricular. That's why Banase Bajadi drugs. And that is the real issues we don't address. In Kampara Javela Tralabam. The V's losing focus and I'm getting worried about the future. Yes, in Twanazam. Bafana bana se bahlolwa ke fame. I took a step back and went to focus on my lane. My introspection made me go and switch up on my name. But the pen gave me to fela Hara game. Hara game.
It's 2000 gang, baby.
Let's go. 2000 gang. 2000 gang. Let's go. Yeah. Gang. Yeah. Fuck all them ops. The biggest niggas in the bar right now.
True that, nigga. True that. The best niggas in the Vaal.
Niggas in the bar right now.
2000 gang. #1 on Trace. Them niggas, them boys.
Fuck all them ops.